Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade bolognese sauce. So, ang gagamitin ko is fresh celery stick, fresh tomato and carrot, then onion. So, ikakat natin sila ng mince. Then this is the minced beef. So that's the ingredients. This here looks nice.
Is this in your YouTube video?
Huh? Yeah, I'll put it in YouTube.
You're gonna cut it.
I'm gonna blend it. And then later, Yasak, you're gonna eat it. You're gonna
Oh
like
no,
it.
you're gonna put it in meat, right?
Yeah, let's cook it first.
You're gonna be.
Then, kailangan fine siya talaga para yun ang magiging sauce natin mamaya. Together with the tomato. So, as you can see, very red siya. Napaka fresh ng ripe tomato. Then, imi-mince natin yung celery stick. Celery stick, yun yung bibigay ng aroma or kakaibang panlasa. Ooh, cut my nail. And then set aside. Then we're gonna do the carrot. Same as the celery stick. I-mince lang natin siya. Actually, dapat very fine talaga siya. Yung halos hindi mo siya ma-feel na kinakain mo siya. Okay, then set aside natin. So, fry natin ngayon yung onion hanggang maging brown siya. First thing is onion. Pero sa Pinoy style, we always put the garlic first and ginger. Hintayin lang natin siya maging brown. Then, lagay natin yung garlic. Then, ilagay natin yung bay leaf. I think yun yung dahon laurel na tinatawag sa atin. Then, after that, lagay natin yung minced carrot and celery. Yan, so nalagay ko na yung ating blended tomato. Then just leave it to boil. Since I used the fresh tomato, it's not very red color. So I'm going to add the tomato puree. It will add taste and color. So may extra ako doon na makulit. Habang nagluluto ako, nandun siya sa likod ko. And then, lagyan natin ng salt. And pepper. So, yung extra ko nandun sa likod. Tuntua siya sa mais. So, haluin lang natin para ma-blend lahat siya. Then, leave it to boil. So, ito na yung sauce. It looks nice. So, pag kumulo na siya, lipat natin siya sa maliit na burner para hindi siya masunog. So, hinaan natin yung apoy. Then, just leave it for like 1 hour. Then, ito yung ating tricolor fusilli pasta. Actually, dapat yung ano talaga, spaghetti na long. Kaya lang walang mabili sa grocery, naubos. So, pwede na yan. Then, just leave it to boil for at least 7 minutes. It says in the package. So, it will become al dente. Then, after 7 minutes, drain natin yung ating pasta. Usually, ginagawa ko pagka-drain ko, binabalik ko rin siya sa same pan. Then, I'll just cover it. Hindi siya dapat super dry. And here is our finished product. This is my dinner. I added coriander leaves on top just to look nice, and also it adds flavor in it if you eat it. So, hope you guys enjoy watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video.